Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this particular video, we will be starting out about your dictionaries in your data structures in your Python programming language. Okay, let's get started up here over the same. Okay. So up till now, you people have studied about the list, right? You have studied about the tuples. You have studied about the sets also, right? Now, dictionaries are the last data types which we have up in the data structure. After that, you are having the stacks, the queues, the hash table. All those stuffs will come up in the further. But for currently, the current things which we are having, this is the last data structure which we have up over here, which we have to study. Okay. Okay. I'll do one thing over here. I'll just open up a Python file for now. Fine. Now, if we're talking about what are dictionaries, right? I am sure many of you might be aware about the dictionaries, because this is one of the most common data structure, data type which we have up in the Python programming language, right? So dictionaries are always I would say a pair of a key and a value. These are very different. Now, during my sets videos, if you have watched all the sets videos of me previously, so during those respective videos, if you had watched out those completely, you'll just get to see that I had put down a lot of questions in the last of the videos, and some of those were related to my dictionary also. There was one question which I had asked out, that can you convert a dictionary to a set? This was one question which I had put up into one of my sets videos. Right, so this was the same dictionary which I am now talking about. So dictionaries, why I was asking that question to you over there, because the reason is dictionaries are actually a pair of a key and a value. Okay, these are the pair of a key and of a value. So whenever you are having a pair of a key and a value over somewhere, so into that respective case, it's difficult for you to convert that into any other respective data type. Okay, yes, so that's one thing which you have up into the dictionaries, and even dictionaries are mutable. It means that you can add also something, and if you want, you can remove out these tags also if needed, right? You can remove up any key value, you can add up any respective key value. So yeah, all those things are completely allowed to you into your dictionaries, right? And what else in the dictionaries? Yeah, let's start writing up the things, and then we'll be slowly and gradually able to understand more about the things, right? Fine. So I can declare dictionary my underscore data as in, and put in the curly brackets over here, and for this I'll be defining up a key and a value. So let's say my key is 1 and the value for that is A, separated by a comma. My key is 2 and the value for that is B. Okay. Third, I am having the key is 3, let's say, and the value for that is C. Okay, one second, not the dot, I'll requiring the colon. Perfect. So now here what happens up in the dictionaries, you always have a key and a pair, right, as I told you. So this is a key and a pair, again this is a key and a pair, and this is again a key and a pair. So into this particular one, I am having 3 values stored in my dictionary. 3 pairs of key and value is stored up into my respective dictionary. That you have to make sure that you're understanding that particular thing into a very clear manner, right? So now, once you have separated up the things by a comma, right? So that comma before that particular comma, whatever is being written, that is your key and a value pair. And always try to understand one thing. Keys are always onto the left hand side of your colon. Values are always onto the right hand side of your colon. Okay. So anytime if you get a little bit of disturbance, or you just forgotten, so you can remember it in such a manner. Always left hand side is your key and right hand side is your value, right? So here over this particular one, I have three different key value pairs for this particular dictionary, right? Now I have dictionaries are always denoted in the curly brackets. Now you will say that curly brackets sets are also defined in the curly brackets. So yes, sets are also defined in the curly brackets, and it's all like key. Sets are when single numbers, single values you're having, and the dictionaries are your key and the value pairs. So it will not get in like merged, or it will not get in involved with each other. So both of those will be separately different, right? So now I just want to check in what's the type. So I'll just write in print the statement type, and in the bracket I'll write my underscore dict, right? And it's the time for running at my program. So see what I got, I just got that it is the type over here for this particular variable my underscore dict. It is your dict. That's the type of the I'll say the data type or the data structure which is stored up into this respective variable, right? Now in dictionaries also you are having many inbuilt functions as in like if you want to add up something, if you want to remove in something. So for those you are having some types of the inbuilt functions which are over here, right? So that we'll be seeing slowly and gradually further up into the videos. But the main and the important thing which comes up over here for the dictionary is that can you convert any respective other data type to a dictionary format or dictionary to any other data type? So answer for that is no, because all the other data types, data structures except your dictionary, all of those have only one single value. They do not have any pairs, right? But your dictionary has an other pairs. So if you will try to convert this to any other data types, it will automatically start thinking in what to convert, what not to convert. If you are specifying that you want to convert the values of this particular dictionary, or if you want to convert the keys of this particular dictionary, then it's all okay. In that particular case, it will be all good. But up till the time you're not mentioning what do you want to convert, and you're just generally and simply trying to convert the dictionary into a tuple, right, or any tuple into a dictionary, or any vice versa things of like that, it will not be done, right? So always make sure that before converting any one data type to other, especially in the case of a dictionary, try to see everything very carefully, and then only you can proceed in. Right, so I hope I am clear with the very basic things about the dictionary, because this is one question which is like very sort of being asked, that can you convert any other data type to a dictionary, or dictionary to any other data type. So your answer should be this much explainable, and like this it should be over there. Right, so I hope I am pretty much clear with this particular thing to everyone. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you in the next video.